The HTC Ne20 earbuds are marketed as AI-powered wireless earphones with real-time translation, noise cancellation, and 48-hour battery life, all for under $40. They have flooded TikTok and Facebook ads with flashy claims and premium-looking packaging. On paper, they promise Bluetooth 5.4, LED displays, waterproofing, and gaming-grade latency. But behind the hype, the product shows signs of being a generic dropship item with rebranded specs and misleading features. Multiple reviews reveal that the translation feature is either non-functional or extremely laggy, making it useless for real conversations. Sound quality is bass-heavy but lacks clarity, and battery life rarely exceeds 4 to 5 hours per charge. The earbuds are lightweight to the point of feeling cheap, and the charging case hinge is prone to wear. While pairing is stable, call quality suffers from poor mic isolation. Pricing varies wildly from $6 on wholesale sites to $40 on retail platforms, suggesting the HTC brand is unofficial and used to inflate perceived value. There's no confirmation from HTC itself that these are genuine products. The Ne20 isn't a total fake, but it delivers far less than advertised. If you are expecting flagship features at budget pricing, you'll be disappointed. Do not buy this.